Good day, grade 6. I'm Mr. Dorflin. Today we're going to sort out the difference between volume and capacity. On my front cover, I have a container filled with water to its capacity, small little ducky swimming around. In the olden days, people used to use many different containers to measure volume and capacity. The problem they had is they could not measure it accurately. So they come up with a plan. So we need to find out what is volume and what is capacity. Each of these bottles that you can see underneath here, they are different in color, different in size. Some are see-through, others you can't see the contents. Each bottle holds 2 liters of liquid. So we can see all these bottles have this one common property. The common property is the amount of space they hold for the liquid. This space is called capacity. So we can all say that these bottles have all got the same capacity. We have 4 cylinders. The following cylinders have different capacities, but the liquids inside are all the same. This amount is called volume. 4, all the same. This one can be filled till 7, this one till 6, this one till 5. And this one is to its full capacity, but the volume inside is all the same. Volume thus represents the amount of liquid and how much space the liquid takes up in a container. So, in summary, capacity is the amount of space of a container for holding a liquid, and volume is the amount of space a liquid takes in a container. I have posted a link to help you to substantiate and to explain further if the video does not help. The video is available on YouTube. You can click on the link, it will take you to this page, and you can watch the video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you clarify the questions between the difference between volume and capacity. Have a great night. Thanks.